Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top 11 foods for diabetics. Today we will explore how each of these foods can benefit your health and manage diabetes effectively. Let's embark on this journey towards better health together. Superfood number 1. Wild rice. Wild rice is a highly nutritious grain that stands out in the management of diabetes. Unlike white rice, wild rice has a lower glycemic index, which is beneficial as it leads to a slower rise in blood sugar levels post-meal. This characteristic is vital for people with diabetes who need to manage blood sugar spikes. Additionally, wild rice is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in blood sugar control by slowing the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. It's also rich in antioxidants and provides essential nutrients like magnesium, which plays a role in insulin regulation. Superfood number 2, hummus. Hummus, made primarily from chickpeas, is an excellent food choice for diabetics. Its high protein and fiber content work together to prevent rapid blood sugar spikes, promoting a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. Fiber in particular is known for its ability to regulate digestion and maintain blood sugar levels. Additionally, hummus is low in carbohydrates, which is ideal for blood sugar control. Its versatility as a dip or spread adds to its appeal, making it a nutritious option for snacking or as part of a meal. Superfood number 3, sardines. Sardines are an exceptional food for diabetics due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not only heart healthy, but also beneficial in reducing inflammation, a condition often linked with diabetes. Omega-3s can also improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. Sardines are also a good source of protein, which helps in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Furthermore, they provide essential nutrients like vitamin D and calcium, supporting overall health. Superfood number 4, mackerel. Like sardines, mackerel is a fatty fish that offers significant benefits for individuals with diabetes. Its high omega-3 fatty acid content is known to enhance heart health and improve blood sugar control. Omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce insulin resistance, a common issue in type 2 diabetes. Mackerel is also a great source of protein which aids in blood sugar regulation by slowing carbohydrate absorption. Moreover, the fish is rich in vitamins and minerals, contributing to a well-rounded diet for diabetes management. Superfood number 5, bitter melon. Bitter melon is a unique vegetable often used in traditional medicine for diabetes management. Its active compounds, like carnitine and vicine, have been shown to have a blood glucose lowering effect. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, as it aids in reducing high blood sugar levels. Bitter melon also contains a type of lectin that decreases blood glucose concentrations by acting on peripheral tissues and suppressing appetite, similar to the effects of insulin. Although its taste is an acquired one, its potential benefits in managing blood sugar levels make it a valuable addition to a diabetic diet. Superfood number 6, bok choy. Bok choy is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is particularly beneficial for diabetics. It is low in calories and carbohydrates, which helps in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. The high vitamin A and vitamin C content in bok choy supports overall health, which is important for individuals managing diabetes. It also provides dietary fiber, which is essential for blood sugar control and promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, bok choy contains various antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress, a factor often associated with diabetes. Superfood number 7, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice with several benefits for people with diabetes. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Compounds in cinnamon can mimic insulin, which helps in reducing blood sugar levels. This spice can also slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, leading to a more gradual increase in blood sugar post-meals. Additionally, cinnamon's antioxidant properties help combat the oxidative stress associated with diabetes. Superfood number 8, carrots. Carrots are a diabetic-friendly vegetable known for their low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They are high in fiber, aiding in steady blood sugar control and providing a sense of satiety. Carrots are also a rich source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision, a concern for many with diabetes. Furthermore, their antioxidant properties help in reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Superfood number 9, flaxseed. Flaxseed is highly beneficial for diabetes management due to its rich content of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The soluble fiber in flaxseed helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of sugars and carbohydrates. Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Additionally, flaxseed can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for effective diabetes management. It also contributes to heart health, a significant consideration for individuals with diabetes. Superfood number 10, guava. Guava is a tropical fruit that can be a great addition to a diabetic diet. It is high in dietary fiber, which is important for blood sugar control, as it slows the absorption of sugar in the body. The low glycemic index of guava makes it suitable for diabetics, as it does not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, guava can help boost the immune system and combat oxidative stress, often seen in diabetics. Additionally, its potassium content aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, a concern for many with diabetes. Superfood number 11, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is highly recommended for diabetics due to its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. The monounsaturated fats in extra virgin olive oil are known for their heart-healthy properties, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases associated with diabetes. Extra virgin olive oil also exhibits anti-inflammatory effects, which can help alleviate some diabetes complications. Its antioxidant components contribute to overall health and can prevent oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetes. Additionally, incorporating extra virgin olive oil into a diabetic diet can promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management, which is vital for diabetes control. These 11 foods are not only delicious but also beneficial in managing diabetes. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consulting your healthcare provider are key to diabetes management. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more health tips.